by Shangri-La Mactan. Here's our bus. Airport shuttle. You know we're on the right bus. I'm gonna take this seat. Jump seat, whatever you call this. Or I'm gonna drive now. I have my license here. Domestic departure. Wow. Walang Dasig dito bumili. Nandyan lang. Somewhere around the corner. Hi there.
Mismo? Ang tao mismo?
So, dito na kami for Premier Elite. Yung flights ba?
Tsaka na kami yung ano.
There's our boarding pass. Toink.
Actually, 1 and 2 na.
Toink. Thank you.
Oh, get na.
And there's some more invitations sa lounge kasi yan kalagay Mabuhay Elite, ME, and then lounge. We're seated at 28A. Bye! Okay, so nagtanggal pa kami ng sapatos. Here's Zubuchon. Ow! Ow! So, I don't know bakit pinatanggal pa. Try nyo ang tanong. I-research kung pwede pang, kung kailangan pa talaga pinapatanggal yung shoes. That's very inconvenient. So, we just got to, it's 11:10 now. We'll be going sa lounge. Banda dun sa right. Later, we'll check it out. So, we're taking Airbus A320. So, I got 2 donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. Courtesy of Dunkin' Donuts. 20 pesos each. It's a bit expensive. Oh.
Wala may ganyan naman sa school.
Nakaw ka. Ha? There's the view. I don't think nakita niyo pa to. Oh, Pal Lounge. Somewhere there.
We will be updating you once the status of your flight by 12:00 this afternoon. Once again, for the information of all departing guests,
International Wing somewhere there. Ito kami pumasok. Ikaw ini-stalk mo ako sinusundan mo ako. Here's the lounge. Okay, well, hi there. And to Cebu Pacific. Right here's Pal's famous Arroz Caldo. What you do there, ma'am? So, andito tayo. Merong internet section. Tablets. Dito daw yung lounge. 7 and 8. Kasi dito ito yung PAL lounge. Diyan si Mami, dito kami nakaupo. And we're gonna check out 7 and 8 lounge. This lounge. Dami tao. Ito na yung departure area. Anyway, ayoko na bumaba. Pagod ako umakyat. And we're back. Alright, the perfect lunch. Virgin red and some yummy arroz caldo. Yum. Alright. So I'm watching this show from Discovery Channel, Airplanes and Dangerous Flights yata yung title. Forgot. And Facebooking, lugawing, virgining, Reading. Okay, so I'm watching the NBA. Kita ko to nagpo-push back from our window. BKP2. Oh, boom. 1:36. Boarding calls made for business class and Premier Elite. Let's see how things go here. No priority boarding for us. Ay! Huh? No priority. Right, one thing in Cebu Airport that medyo hindi ko gusto is walang priority boarding. Sabay-sabay ang boarding ng all passengers. Just like last time. Kung hindi ko pa inunahan sa pila, hindi ako mauna sa pila na. So same thing happened here. Wow, umuulan na sa labas. Oh my God. May gasolina. Sorry. Hindi yata pinakalikot eh. Second to the...
Cockpit siya, no?
Ha? Airbus A320. Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Right. So finally passed through the traffic there. Pinakalas nga. 28. Oh. Una na ako. Jumped on my window seat. Ay, usan ito na naman oh. Yeah. May ito yung kortina oh. Pwede tayo magtago mamaya. Kortina yan oh, paikot. Curtains. Then iikot dyan. Then matatakpan na kami. We have our private suite here. Private suite. Hindi kasama si Papa.
Ito na naman
No
yun.
smoking. You are required to read the exit row briefing card.
And here is our private suite later.
If you wish to be reseated, please inform your cabin attendants now.
May sarili ka.
Thank you.
Private suite, syempre.
Mga binibigay
Galino
ng
yun.
Okay, so it started raining outside. Malakas yung ulan dun sa end of the runway oh. And here's a view outside. There's a 5J there. We noticed yung Globe 3G dito medyo hirap. So madaling nag-overheat yung cellphones namin. Lalo na sa city. Oh, tsaka sa hotel. Madaling nalobat. This is AC Air. Yan ba yung dating plane ng Boeing? Ng Air Philippines? This is 737-100.
Private suite kami, hindi yung
Alright, there's a pushback there. Silk Air. Oo nga, malamig. Is malamig. Hininaw nga ako eh. Silk Air.
Ayaw.
Let's see if we can spot the pilot. The pilot. Ay, sagad na? Wala, sagad na. Anyway, going back here.
Dito lang ako sa private.
Alright, 150. We're still waiting for the doors to disarm. To arm or whatsoever. Anyway, walang tao dito. 1, 2, 3. In the 4th row. Like that. We chose the very last seat, but this is our ritual always sila. Lumabas na FA sa cockpit. So, si Ocean lumipat na doon. Sila, settled na. And we're just waiting for the vacuum to finish. Narinig niyo yan? Pinapasok yung mga bags. Vacuum daw sabi nila.
I hope you understand our situation. Thank you.
Wow. So it's 2 p.m. Na-move na naman ang 2:30 yung flight dahil sa traffic congestion sa Manila. And as you can see there, may nagte-take off. So Manila airport is getting worse. It's getting worse. Ooh, wow. What to do during this delayed flight? Open up 3G. Have you seen this, guys? Oh, Kuya Mon, just like my photo. Yeah, just follow me on Instagram for more pictures like this. Oh, by the way, this is my Christmas tradition. I post this every Christmas, every year. This is my 3rd year in a row posting this kind of stuff. This is 2012. Yep, 2011 was this one. 2010's this one. That's 2010. Yeah, that's my yearly tradition. Anyway, I just want to take this opportunity to greet you all, Pinoy travel fans. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your 2012 and I hope you enjoyed several episodes of Pinoy Travel this year. Mainly Vancouver, Cebu, Lawag, Hong Kong, in Cebu again, and then Lawag again tomorrow. So 2012 has been great for me in terms of traveling with Pal. Merry Christmas again, Happy New Year. Keep watching my travel vids. I'm going to Iloilo February 8 to 11 via Zest Air. It's a chartered plane. The school organized it, so we don't have any other choice. I wanted to fly Pal, and my other blockmates wanted to fly with Pal, pero we can't. Hindi pumayag yung pare na mag-ibang flight. It's UST's policy. Pag aalis talaga, kailangan intact one group. Ayun, Merry Christmas again. We're just waiting for them for any announcement. Wow. 5 minutes have just passed by. 5 minutes that seemed like 15 minutes. Okay, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, your
Okay,
captain
here we
again
go.
speaking. For your information, our request for an earlier departure was rejected by the air traffic controller. We will be departing at 2:30 in the afternoon.
So what time we're going to arrive? 3:30.
And I hope you understand that this is beyond our control. Thank you.
What a way to fly on Christmas Day. What a way to fly on Christmas Day. Ay nako, Manila.
Put your bags in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Don't stand on your seat. Seats are for sitting. And for a snug fit. Note that oxygen flows even if the bag is not inflated. Then breathe normally. If a child or other passengers around you need assistance, make sure you put your own mask first before offering help. Now, let's talk about the emergency exits. You'll notice there are path markings along the aisle. They all lead to exit doors.